Hi everyone, this is Rahul, and in today's video we're going to talk about the Motosol motorcycle cleaner. 929 rupees. That's the suggested MRP. Look in the video description. There's going to be a link with some discounts if it's available on Amazon. You get a 1 liter bottle, so this is on the pricier side, but this is a unique product. That's why I'm bringing this out. And there are a lot of products, like hundreds of motorcycle cleaning products, but I'll tell you why this is different. First of all, this reduces your time and effort and also saves on water. So if you live on one of those places where there's water scarcity, you might want to check out this product. And it's cold and winter, so if you don't want to get your hands in the water for a very long time, maybe this is the product that you're looking for. Made in Germany, so this is an imported product, and maybe that's why it's on the pricier side. It's very simple. You just have to spray it all over the motorcycle. So it comes with the spray bottle. As you can see, this is the bottle you get, and the best part is that you can reach into the places where it's hard to reach by hand and clean with a cloth. So you can just spray it on there, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and after that you clean it with a wet cloth, like a really wet cloth, and then just water it down, hose it down, whatever you want to do. When you clean with a normal product, once you have to get it wet first, then apply shampoo, rub it all over, then again clean it. Here it's just while you're applying this, there's no water required. You can apply this directly onto the motorcycle. That saves your water, saves some effort because it does auto cleaning. You just put it and make it stay there for 15 minutes, and then it does your job for you. Now my motorcycle, when I used this, it was very dirty and I did not wash it. I just wanted to see how dirty it can get, and then I could really tell you whether this product's any good or not. So you might want to think, what are the downsides of this product, if there's any? Well, I already mentioned the price. Now I'm going to show you that I actually have two bottles. So this is the bottle that I actually used, and in one use I had to use this much. So you can see this was a new bottle. On my right hand is the new bottle, and this is the one which I've used. So it takes quite a bit of product, because in normal shampoos you can use just a little bit, and with water you can get a lot of lathering. But on this one, because you're spraying it all over the motorcycle surface, this actually takes more product to clean your bikes. On one hand, it's a little expensive, and then you need more product to clean your bike. So obviously in the longer run, this is going to be more expensive. But whether the extra cost is justifiable to you, because it really reduces the effort on your part and saves water. So whether you're going to make that extra investment to save time and water, that is a question only you can answer. But I can tell you, apart from that, it's a great product, made in Germany. They don't really screw up their products. Excellent. It cleaned up the bike, really shiny. But there are cheaper products in the market which can give you similar results but won't give you this much time-saving convenience. So I leave that decision up to you. From me, this product gets a recommendation. If you can afford it, it's going to be really good, especially for lazy people like us. And they have sent me more products with motorcycle chain loop cleaning solution. I'm going to link them in the description anyways. I haven't used them yet, but I will eventually use them when I put my motorcycle to servicing. Then I'll give you an update video on how those products work. I took my time with this product to use it well, and I found this to be good, and I will not review anything without using it properly. So with this, I'm satisfied, so I thought I would share this with you guys. I hope you guys like this short video. This is Rahul. Goodbye.